Hello, welcome to our channel Farkas World History. In this video we will discuss the remaining aspects of Hinduism. First of all, we will start with the goal of life. To Hindus, every person has an essential self or atma. The atma is just really another name of Brahman, the ultimate goal of existence. Hindu believe in achieving moksha or union with Brahman. In order to do that, individual must free themselves from selfish desires that separate them from Brahman. Most people cannot achieve moksha in one lifetime, but Hindus believe in reincarnation or the rebirth of the soul in another bodily form. Reincarnation allows people to continue working towards moksha through several lifetimes. Now next is the concept of karma and dharma. In each existence, Hindu believe a person can come closer to achieving a moksha by obeying the laws of karma. Karma refers to all the action of a person's life that affect his or her fate in the next life. To Hindus, all existence is ranked. Humans are closest to Brahman, then come animal, plants and objects like a rock or water. People who live virtuously can earn good karma and are reborn at a higher level of existence. Those who do evil acquire a bad karma and are reborn into a suffering. In Indian art, this endless cycle of a death and rebirth is symbolized by the image of wheel. Now, to escape the wheel of a fate, Hinduism stresses the importance of dharma, the religious and the moral duties of an individual. These duties vary according to the class, occupation, gender or age. By obeying one dharma, a person acquires a merit for the next life. So these are the concept of karma and dharma which help to ensure the social order by supporting the caste system. If you are a history lover, please like our video, subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so it will help when we upload a new video. You will get a notification.